What if the most modern pickup of 2026 isn't trying to look futuristic at all? What if the truck that turns the most heads is the one that looks like it drove straight out of American history, but feels ready for today? This is the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 pickup truck, and the reason it's so interesting is simple. It isn't just a retro design exercise. It's a statement. And if you're watching Magz review, you already know we don't fall for nostalgia alone. We look for the real story behind the metal. The first thing you notice is the stance. The 3100 sits with that classic, upright confidence that modern trucks often try to fake with oversized grills and aggressive angles. Here, the design feels honest. The rounded fenders, the clean body lines, the bold front face, it's unmistakably inspired by the original 3100, but the proportions are tighter, more planted, and more premium in the way it holds the road. And on the street, it has a kind of presence you can't measure with numbers. People look twice, not because it's loud, but because it's familiar in a way that feels rare now. The lighting design is where you see the modern touch the most. Even if you're not a car person, you can tell this isn't an old truck with a new paint job. It has the kind of detailing that's meant to be admired up close, panel fit, trim quality, and the way the surfaces catch light while the truck moves. Step inside, and the 2026 story becomes clearer. Chevrolet doesn't try to make the cabin a museum piece. Instead, it feels like a modern truck interior that respects the past. You get the upright seating position and the simple, confident dashboard layout, but the materials and comfort are where it earns its price. The seats feel supportive, the cabin feels wide, and there's a sense of craftsmanship that you don't always get in trucks designed purely for work. Technology is present, but not overdone. The screens are integrated in a way that doesn't ruin the classic vibe, and the controls feel like they were designed for real hands, not just for photos. It's the kind of cabin you can actually live with daily, comfortable, practical, and thoughtfully laid out, while still giving you that special vehicle feeling every time you climb in. Now, let's talk about the driving experience, because this is where retro-styled vehicles often disappoint. The 2026 Chevrolet 3100 doesn't feel like a fragile showpiece. It feels like a real pickup, solid, confident, and built with modern road manners in mind. The steering feels stable and predictable, and the ride has that satisfying weight you want in a truck without feeling clumsy or exhausting. On the move, it delivers a smooth, usable kind of power. Not the kind that tries to scare you, but the kind that makes merging, passing, and carrying loads feel effortless. It feels like Chevrolet designed it to be driven regularly, not stored away, and brought out once a month for attention. And comfort? That's the surprise. You expect something styled like this to ride like an old-school truck, but instead it feels controlled and composed, more like a modern pickup than its vintage shape suggests. Over broken roads, it stays calm. On highways, it settles in like it belongs there. Safety and daily usability are where this truck really earns its place in 2026. Because as cool as the design is, it still has to fit into modern life. The visibility is strong, the seating position makes it easy to place on the road, and it feels like something you could genuinely use as a daily driver. Ownership appeal comes from the balance. It's not trying to be the most extreme truck, it's trying to be the most memorable truck that still makes sense. So, who is this for? The 2026 Chevrolet 3100 is for the person who wants personality without sacrificing practicality. Someone who appreciates history but refuses to drive something outdated. Someone who wants a pickup that feels like an identity, not just transportation. It stands out because it doesn't chase trends, it leans into character, and it does it with modern refinement. And that's the real takeaway here. The 2026 Chevrolet 3100 isn't just a throwback. It's a reminder that design can still have soul, and that a truck can be both useful and genuinely special. If you enjoyed this deep, honest breakdown from Magz review, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, would you actually daily drive a 2026 Chevrolet 3100, or would it be your weekend pride and joy?